This is my first attempt to make a detailed video of Aamori. I'm in the bathroom because this is where the best lighting is, but okay, so we'll start with our hands. You can kind of see veins there. And the palm of her hands are whiter than normal, just like babies. And her face. That beautiful face. A little scratch right there. Nose. I love her forehead. Side of the face. And her little ears. And then her little nails. And the splotching. And then the shading and the colors around her arms. So pretty. And her other arm. It's darker. And the shading of her skin. It looks so real. She's bruised up good, if you want to say. Her little arms. God, she's so cute. And that little chin, some milk stains down there. God. Okay, and this leg, this one right here, is my favorite. Because it got a big vein right there. And then right there, the little dimples behind her legs. My God, so cute. Coloring, oh my gosh, she's so real. It's unreal. Look at her little toesies. And her birth thing, whatever, her hospital bracelet. Then veinings on her little chunky thighs. Oh my God, I love her. Little bruisings, I guess you can say, on her. She's a beautiful baby. Like, beautiful. But okay, I'm gonna stop holding her in this funky way now. Okay, she takes a pacifier like this. I'm gonna have to learn how to make these. Because I like these better than the putty. Because the putty stuck to her mouth really bad. And it just looked horrible. And that fits perfectly. So I'm going to talk to the artist about how to make those. Because those are cool. It's going to take a lot of talent if you ask me. But, alright. Talk to you guys later.